Located in the north of the magnificent KwaZulu-Natal, the port of Richards Bay is one of South Africa's most important economic hubs. Since its official opening in 1976, the port has played an integral role in the South African import and export economy and currently handles approximately 60% of South Africa's seaborne cargo. The 3,700-hectare land area of the port is divided into 3 precincts: Bayview, Newark and South Dunes. The port's entrance channel is 300 meters wide and leads to 22 berths of the 4 main terminals: Liquid Bulk Terminal, Coal Terminal, Dry Bulk Terminal and the Multipurpose Terminal. At the Port of Richards Bay, the National Port Authority ensures 24 hours operations and offers services like pilotage, tug assistance, truck staging and more. The Port of Richards Bay has massive potential for further development, and the Port Development Framework Plan charts the way forward with an efficient, long-term development strategy. The various stages of the development framework are divided into the current, short-term, medium-term, and long-term layouts. For countries such as South Africa, regasification projects are seen as a potential catalyst for development of domestic natural gas markets. Berth 207 has been identified for the floating storage and regasification units, driven by the need for a fast delivery LNG storage and regasification solution. The site has been identified through various feasibility studies as the preferred location. As the demand for LNG grows, the operations will be removed from the berth 207, which will be then converted to a liquid berth, to the dig-up basin, which will be constructed near the entrance channel of the port. This option will have a dedicated berth and land storage facility. This power project will offer new additional benefits, including the ability to add to electric generating capacity on an expedited basis, alleviate strain on diesel fuel or coal. The objective of the Richards Bay expansion project is to expand the port of Richards Bay to meet forecast demand up to 2040 for priority commodities such as thermal coal, magnetite, chrome and ferrochrome. The expansion of the existing finger jetty with 2 additional berths will contribute to this objective. The construction of 600 series will provide the following benefits of improved berth usage of the 600 series quay, due to overall quay length becoming longer with the construction of the berths. The new 600 series RBP berths will be designed for future terminal development. Operation Phakisa is an initiative of the South African government, which was launched in October 2014. A few initiatives within the Marine Transport and Manufacturing Phakisa Laboratory are owned by TMPA. In particular, Initiative 7, which focuses on developing a ship repair industry in the Port of Richards Bay. The location of the floating dock will be at the Repair Quay, Small Crafts Harbour. Furthermore, the particular nature of this development allows for a phased approach to expansion, thus allowing minimal initial capital investment, followed by incremental future expansion as the market demand for the facility grows. The proposed ship repair site will be located on vacant land situated in the Bayview precinct and to the north of the entrance channel of the Port of Richards Bay. Further to the dry dock facility, the Operation Pakisa team identified that a need had been created from now until the delivery of the dry dock facility, which would thus be closed through the implementation of the floating dock facility. The Port of Richards Bay aspires to be a premier dry and liquid bulk port with diversification in other segments. It desires to be a growing, effective, economic, efficient and integrated port. It intends to grow the business by investing in infrastructure and improving terminal and supply chain efficiencies. The Port of Richards Bay is currently the largest and busiest port on the South African coastline, and it is set to enter a long-term expansion phase that will see the threefold increase in surface area and fivefold extension of existing quay length, bringing the total number of berths available to 75 over the next 40 years. The Richards Bay Industrial Development Zone is a business entity of the KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Government. It is a world-class, fully serviced industrial estate on the northeastern South African coast. This prime industrial business and trade hub attracts export-oriented investment in what is one of the leading special economic zones. The RBIDZ has knowledgeable and proactive staff with wide range of support services requirements for potential investors. Owing to the region's wealth and availability of raw materials such as heavy minerals, the RBIDZ aims to intensify investigation of opportunities for further up and downstream beneficiation and production of value-added goods for export. The main focus sectors are agro-processing, ICT and technoparks, metals beneficiation, marine industry development and renewable energy.